Hey, how's it going, everyone? I'm going to be showing you several different resources as well as some tools and techniques. That way you can go beyond the algorithm and not have to, use mainly traditional ways of online marketing. Now, a lot of this is paid traffic based. So if you're looking for more like free traffic strategies, I definitely encourage you to check out my playlist on the traffic generation strategies. I have, as you can see, about 80 videos right here, and a lot of them are free traffic strategies. And it's a mix between paid and free traffic strategy. So I got like organic, manual type, you do it yourself kind of traffic where you like manually going out there, like door to door type stuff, not exactly door to door, but like, inbox hustling, posting in forums type of stuff. And then I do have a lot of paid traffic videos where I show you how to create ads on Meta as well as Google. I even walk you through the entire process from A to Z. But in this video, I'm just going to mainly focus on some strategies. I'm going to give you some resources for paid traffic. Now, this is how you can go beyond the algorithm here. So let's go ahead and get started at the very top. Tired of creating top-notch content that seems to disappear into the digital abyss? In today's crowded online marketplace, it's not enough to simply produce great content. You need to make sure that it's seen by the right people. That's where content amplification comes in. Imagine crafting a masterpiece only to have it languish in obscurity. Content amplification is the art of ensuring your work reaches its intended audience. It's about extending your content's reach beyond your website and into the wider digital world. So it's a given. Number one, boost visibility. You can increase your website traffic, social media following, and ultimately sales. Enhance engagement, connect with your audience on a deeper level, and foster stronger relationships. Number three, establish authority, become a thought leader in your industry and gain credibility. You can improve your search engine optimization, attract more backlinks, which can boost your search engine rankings, and you get maximum return on investment. Amplification can be cost effective and deliver measurable results, which is what direct response marketing is all about. All right, so here's a three-pronged approach for content amplification strategies. So number one, owned amplification. You can leverage your own channels. So that's from SEO, optimizing your content for search engines, like using keywords, meta tags, and internal links. And I have an entire playlist right here on SEO strategies where I teach you how to get backlinks and everything from .edu links to high authority. In fact, I'm getting ready to make a video right now on how to use lean domain search, which can help you with your SEO strategy. Email marketing. I have an entire playlist right here on email marketing strategies. Now, they're pretty comprehensive because I have so much experience. That was actually how I got my first start in this business with email marketing, which was an extension of my affiliate marketing. Because, if you're selling an affiliate product, then you're going to want to follow up with them. And then social media, share your content on relevant platforms and engage with your followers. I'll have all of this in the description, but I have several different videos on social media marketing using automation tools. And I even show you like organic type stuff. So you'll see them in my artificial intelligence and automation playlist, as well as my traffic generations playlist right here. And then number two, paid amplification. Invest in targeted advertising. Social media ads. Reach specific demographics and interests on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. I have a strategy where I show you how to use an artificial intelligence extension called Walaxy to help you boost sales and increase your engagement and traffic on LinkedIn. And I have so many videos on Facebook, from automating the Facebook group posting process, and then paid search ads appear at the top of search engine results pages for relevant keywords. Influencer marketing. Partner with industry influencers to reach their audience. Number three, earned amplification, which allows you to basically harness the power of word of mouth. So outreach, social sharing, content syndication, connect with bloggers, journalists, and other industry professionals. Encourage your audience to share your content on social media, republish your content on other platforms. So I have these websites that I'm going to share with you, and then I'm going to get in some tools right here. So co-promote is the first one. Now I just saw this. It seems pretty awesome, but this is how it basically works. So first, you choose the social media that you want people to share, grab the embed code or URL in most cases, and then launch it on co-promote. You can also upload an image and add a link if what you're sharing isn't coming from social media. So it looks like this guy reached about 8.14 million new people. Number two, once your content is launched, your reputation will decrease by 1 point each time someone shares it. On the other hand, each time you share another creator's content, your reputation increases by 1 point. Sharing happens in share. So you must have at least one reputation point for your content to be shareable. You can also gain and lose reputation from user feedback. And then number three, go to track to see who has shared your content and where they shared it. If you're happy, give them a thumbs up. That thumbs up will earn the sharer 2 reputation points. A thumbs down will cost the sharer -5 points. And here's an example of that. Number four, don't forget to go to home to the community, make valuable connections with the fans and people in your field who can help you grow. So if you go to the main homepage here, this is what it looks like. They have a community on the left-hand side. You have campaigns, influencers, connections, and I might end up making an entire video about this because it seems very flexible as far as like traffic generation is concerned. And then this one is more so based on advertising. So Outbrain, which is a rebrand of Dementa. So this allows you to reach consumers at every stage of their buyer journey, promoting your brand, driving performance goals, growing your audience, build awareness, educate and influence consumers in discovery mode, fuel lower funnel conversions, purchases, app downloads, video views, get your content discovered to grow audience and improve web monetization. And they even have case studies right here. So if you click on this, they'll give you use cases, and you can see other people that's going through a similar process using Outbrain. But essentially, if you have something to promote, this is a great place to go. So raising in among Europe's most successful fintech services. So these are a lot of the case studies and use cases that you can use, that you can model your strategy off of, and then you just select your industry right here as well as your objective. So I definitely encourage you to check these guys out. I might end up making an entire tutorial about this in the future. And then moving on to Taboola, basically how this works is you can set up your campaign, create an account, define your marketing goals, target audience and budget. Then number 2, run your ad on premium websites. So reach new audiences and get high quality traffic through their global premium publisher network. And number 3, maximize your conversions by getting detailed campaign performance analytics. You can use their smart bidding to auto optimize, scale, improve the research, improve return on investment. So they're claiming that you can get up to 70% more conversions with them. Performance at scale, premium websites, where you can access all these trusted websites, largest native ad network, so get your ad in front of 600 million daily active users, native advertising advantage, reach audiences based on their interests without relying on third-party cookies. So yeah, definitely check these guys out. I'll have it in the description. And again, this is another website that I might end up making an entire training on. And then the next one is Conatix. So here, it's an integrated ad server and exchange where you can access premium demand while growing direct sales efforts. So it allows you to deliver a fast and flawless viewing experience, keep your audience engaged with a versatile, lightweight, and fully customizable player. And then you don't have to worry about the player fees. So you can boost video performance with direct access to premium content, reach engaged audiences at scale with inventory from thousands of sites, and they're trusted by all of these people. So you can access real-time data and insights with dynamic dashboards and extensive reporting. And I'll leave this in the description as well. All of this is going to be in the description. They got video delivery, video monetization, video analytics, video creation, advertisers, deep contextual. And if you want to know a little bit more about them, you can basically just click over here. All right. And then the next one is Q Promote. So how they work is you can add content to Q Promote, including blog posts, articles, and videos. This generates thousands of social signals, shares, direct mentions, and clicks over time. More social signals plus higher domain rating equal easier to rank on Google, leading to even more organic traffic. So yeah, check these guys out. The easiest way to drive social signal sales. They're saying that social is the new SEO. So combining SEO and social media as part of a unified online marketing strategy will yield better results for your online business. Effortless content promotion. Easily promote your content across these social media platforms, boost your brand visibility, drive organic engagement, and generate meaningful social signals without the hassle. Tailor it for your business. Manage all your content promotion from a single, easy-to-use dashboard. Track your performance over time and get monthly reports that help you understand what's working and where to improve. And then real results, less effort. Experience increased shares, mentions, and clicks for your content, all without the manual work. Focus on what matters most, growing your business and reaching more customers. So yeah, definitely check these guys out. It's a content promotion platform that helps you automatically share your clients' content across Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. It connects your content with a network of real people who are genuinely interested in sharing and engaging with it, boosting your social media presence effortlessly. And then the last one is Rev Content. So a quick introduction to these guys. Basically, it's a native advertising platform, Rev Content, allowing publishers a way to monetize their site and advertisers a way to drive traffic. So they were founded in 2013, and their widgets can be featured on their site with advertisers bidding for placement, generating revenue for the publisher. Flexible technology. For advertisers, affiliates, and brands, they use Rev Content as a traffic driving tool, sending users to landing pages, offers, articles, and content. And be sure to check out my playlist on how to create a sales funnel, by the way. I show you how to make great, high converting landing pages, no matter what niche you're in. It's a really good playlist. And I actually just made another video about landing pages where I talked about entry point offers. And then advertisers build their campaign with targeting, bids, creative landing pages, and more to participate in Rev Content's buying auction. So yeah, check these guys out. I'm not too familiar with them, but if you go to the website, a lot of these websites, they tend to be blocked by ads. So you just gotta like basically disable your ad. It's just an ad advertising platform, and that's just typical with these websites. So yeah, check these guys out. You help you monetize your online presence and basically amplify your content. So getting back to this article here, so here's some content amplification tools, your arsenal of options: social media management tools, Buffer, Sue Social, Hoot, Sprout. These are all automation tools that can help you to basically manage your content. And I have a lot of different videos on Sue Social where I'll walk you through the actual dashboard. And I give you the settings and whatnot on how to safely automate your activity without getting, bans and suspensions and whatnot. And then content discovery platforms, just as I was showing you, Outbrain and Taboola, they help you promote your content on high traffic websites. Influencer marketing platforms, find and connect with influencers in your niche. And then analytics tools, track the performance of your amplification efforts and make data-driven adjustments. So if you go to my YouTube channel and you type in analytics, you see I have a ton of different videos on analytics. So how to use your YouTube analytics with ChatGPT to create a data-driven content strategy, how to use Google search, how to track, analyze, and optimize the sales funnel success formula, how to do competitor analysis. I have a lot of different videos on analytics, so I definitely encourage you to check that out. All you gotta do is go to my YouTube channel and type in analytics. All right, and that's pretty much it. So bottom line is content amplification is an ongoing process. You can experiment with different strategies, measure your results, and refine your approach to maximize your reach and impact. By combining owned, paid, and earned amplification, you can ensure that your content reaches the right people and drives your business forward. All right. So that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you enjoy. If you like content like this, then I definitely recommend that you subscribe to the channel. I talk about everything when it comes to affiliate marketing, driving sales, generating traffic, email marketing, artificial intelligence and automation, search engine optimization, copywriting tutorials. So if that sounds interesting to you, then definitely subscribe and be sure to take a look at the tools and the resources below. I have everything that I included in this video, as well as this document right here. So you'll see that in the description, as well as the pinned comment by the Affiliate Marketing Samurai. And also I have a traffic generations checklist right in the description. It's completely free. You can have it accompany you as you're going about your day-to-day traffic generation strategies. It helps you to cover all the different bases. So you basically just go down the checklist as you're doing your income producing activities. So it helps keep everything in check. It's completely free. All you gotta do is put your name and your email address in. It'll be sent right to your inbox. All right. So with that said, I hope you enjoy. I will see you in the next video. See you then.